I've looked at them in more detail.
So, 88 pounds and other.
Okay, welcome to American Dream Garage. Today we're going to look at the car that I just purchased. Actually, it was a trade on another car that I sold, obviously. And I would call it a semi-barn find, even though the paint looks nice. It was under a cover and it sat for about 8 years. So we will take a closer look at it. I will talk about the journey that it's taken so far and the journey that it will take as we try and get it back on the road. We did a quick walk around, and you're probably saying, well, it doesn't look like a barn find. And I said a semi or something barn find. And the car probably for the last 10 years has not really seen the road. The previous owner passed away, and it went to a new owner who basically parked it in a climate controlled shop under a cover for the last 8 years. It was driven there, but when I went to pick it up, it actually started on the old gas, which is surprising, and put 10 gallons of new ethanol-free gas in it along with some sea foam. And it's running, but not well yet. It seems like it's either restricted on fuel or one or two of the injectors may be clogged. So I'm going to work to try and clean that up. It was low on transmission fluid, so I added transmission fluid. All the other fluids were fine. As far as operation of the car, the climate control system is, I don't know, semi-functioning, not out of all the vents. All the lights, signals, I haven't tested the cruise control. Everything else seems to be working fairly well. It had new tires put on it 10 years ago that probably have less than 1,000 miles, but they are 09 date codes. It has what I would call replacement wheels. Somebody obviously thought these were an attractive upgrade. I personally feel that it needs to go back to the stock wheel, and possibly the tire shops won't change them out because they're old date codes, so I might have to get new tires. The car was repainted. Originally these had hand-painted pinstripes, which I will have put back on. We showed the interior the leather has cracked and is deteriorated. So while you can get replacement panels sewn in here, the overall age and condition of the seats, I would say, probably warrants new seat covers. The dash is fine, not cracked. All the instruments seem to be working fine, including the clock. So it has a aftermarket radio, but included back in here somewhere is the original radio, which is a Blauplunked. I'm not sure if that would have been the factory radio. It's definitely period correct with the cassette. So I will see if that is functional. That'd be better than the one that's in there. It's got most of the elements of the toolkit. So anyway, we will, step one will be, and I've got somebody coming in here to help me today, will be to detail it and see what we find. Haven't had the hard top off, but we'll do that and see what the convertible top looks like. If we get that done today, I might update this video with that element of it. Okay, welcome back to American Dream Garage. 3.5 hours and 2 people later, we've done quite a bit of detailing to this car, and I think you'll find the results somewhat surprising, as it cleaned up fairly nicely. So we'll do a quick walk around on the car, and then I think it's a nice day. It's time to go out and drive. Walk around on the car. Obviously it's not done. There's quite a few things still to do. I've ordered the wheels that are factory alloys. And we'll see if the tires are remounted on the wheels. And then the seats, I'm ordering the leather seats. Eventually reinstall the radio. Those things will come later. Now it's time to go for a ride.